Good morning, welcome back to another episode. It has finally arrived, the long-awaited Boostedboard. Alright, I'll be honest with you guys, it didn't arrive today, it arrived last week Friday, but it was raining and it wasn't a good weather and it wasn't a good time. And I wanted to have a perfect shot and give you a Vigi review on this Boostedboard. I'm very, very excited, I can't wait to open it. Let's go, let's open it. Just have to get the knife out. I feel like I should make a brucha or something, like a shechiyuni. We're getting closer, we're getting closer. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, I guess I didn't do the trick right. Let's try it again. Let's say board. 3, 2, 1, board. Oh, sorry. I think I got rusty in magic, so I guess we got to take it out old-fashioned way. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Kind of weighs more than I thought, but whenever I saw the videos, I always wanted to do this part. I thought it's shinier than it really is, but it's still perfect. The board is here. The only thing is missing in my hand is a 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it is. All 5 lights are on. Let's go to the remote. Now I gotta go ride it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Before I end this video, I would like to give out a shout to this guy. His name is Ari. He has a studio on Dot. He helped me out with the shots today. He taught me a lot of things in video. It was amazing to work with him. He was easygoing. I recommend him. Thank you again for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Vigi out.